my very, very good friends. We're going to play a game entitled Sound Effects. This game is for Ryan and Colin. Come on down. We're also going to have the 2 volunteers from our studio audience. Oh, hi. What's your name?
Maddie.
Maddie, why don't you go down to the stage? Hi, what's your name?
Debbie.
Debbie, come with me. All right, Maddie and Debbie. Here we go. Thank you. Maddie and Debbie. All right, guys.
Hello.
The way this game works is that Ryan and Colin are going to perform a scene, and then Maddie and Debbie are going to provide the sound effects, but only when prompted, okay? Maddie's going to do them for Colin. Debbie's going to do them for Ryan. And here's the scene, my friends. In rural Texas, Ryan and Colin are 2 cops patrolling a livestock auction, because typically those are hotbeds of criminal activity.
Yeah.
Suddenly, a gang of criminals, who knew, arrived to steal the prize animals. Oh boy, take it away, everybody.
My donut's really hard.
My coffee's pretty thick.
Yeah. I don't know why we always get the livestock detail.
Stop complaining. We got a job, don't we?
I guess. We're just looking after these little chickens.
Well, must be fitty chickens here.
Yeah, fitting, for sure. You know, I don't know why, but there's always been something about cows. It seems so yeah. Just their little high-pitched small moos.
Moo.
You know, they're being told that someone's going to try to steal all these livestock.
Well, maybe I should get on the megaphone and warn people that there might be a theft coming up.
Whoa, what? How?
You know what's so odd? A megaphone usually amplifies the voice.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, there you go.
Hello.
I got it set on flamboyant.
Yeah.
Put that back down there.
Hey, look.
Huh?
There's someone over there. He looks like he's going to steal that goat. The goat's crying for help. I'm going to see if I can lasso the guy.
All right. Oh, wow. What the hell was that?
My rope is weighted.
Yeah. I'm just going to have to shoot the guy in the leg so he won't run away.
All right.
Oh, that sounded better than I thought it would. Well, he's down. I think I hit him too high, though. You're going to have to resuscitate him.
All right, I'll just pull him in with lasso.
Oh. Oh, my God.
Look how small he is.
I know. He looked bigger over there.